Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not ringing when locked. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1 is check ring, silent switch and volume button. So guys, check your ringer if it's not on the silent. So simply check your ringer button. And guys, solution 2 is check do not disturb mode if your do not disturb mode is enabled. So tap here. So my do not disturb mode is enabled, and to turn this off, after turning off do not disturb mode, solution 3 is increase ringer and alert sound. So tap on settings, tap on sounds and haptics. So increase your ringer and sounds. So after increasing your ringer and sound, so guys, solution 4 is disable paired Bluetooth devices. So guys, if you have enabled Bluetooth devices and paired devices, so turn the Bluetooth off here. So after turning our Bluetooth devices, so solution 4 is check if your iPhone is stuck on headphone mode. So guys, my iPhone is not stuck in the headphone mode. So guys, and the solution is another solution is restart your iPhone. So go back, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So restart your iPhone. So after restarting iPhone, open the lock screen here, and the next solution is open settings, enable low power mode, airplane mode, disable again, go back. So guys, and the last solution is open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for software update. If any latest version available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest version. So guys, it will 100% fix your issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.